Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking experience, the Cuisinart DFP-14BKSY 14-cup food processor. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cuisinart DFP-14BKSY? This powerful food processor is designed to tackle a variety of food prep tasks with ease. With its impressive 14-cup capacity, it's perfect for both everyday cooking and entertaining. Whether you're making dips, pureeing soups, or preparing ingredients for a big dinner, this food processor has got you covered. Let's talk about some of its standout features. At the heart of this machine is a robust 720-watt motor. This means it can handle tough jobs like kneading dough or chopping through dense vegetables without breaking a sweat. The design includes a user-friendly interface with simple on, off, and pulse buttons, making it accessible for even the most novice cooks. One of the most convenient aspects of the DFP-14BKSY is its Lexan bowl, which is not only sturdy but also easy to clean. The extra-large feed tube is another highlight, allowing you to process whole fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting. Plus, it comes with a small and large pusher bowl sleeve assembly for added versatility. Included with the processor are several high-quality attachments, a stainless steel standard slicing disc, a medium shredding disc, and a chopping/mixing blade. These components make it easy to slice, shred, mix, and chop a wide variety of ingredients. And for those who love to experiment in the kitchen, the package also includes a spatula, an instruction manual, and a recipe booklet, which is a nice touch for getting you started. Now, who is this food processor suitable for? The Cuisinart DFP-14BKSY is perfect for home cooks of all levels, whether you're a busy parent looking to streamline meal prep, a cooking enthusiast eager to experiment with new recipes, or someone who entertains often and needs to prepare large quantities of food. The versatility and capacity make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Let's get into some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a gathering where you want to impress your guests with homemade salsa or guacamole. The DFP-14BKSY can quickly chop your tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, giving you a fresh dip in no time. Or perhaps you're planning a cozy family dinner and need to puree a hearty soup. With this food processor, you can achieve a smooth consistency in just a few quick pulses. If you're into baking, the kneading function is a game changer. You can mix your dough in one bowl without the hassle of manual kneading. Plus, with the detachable disc stem, cleanup becomes a breeze, allowing you to get back to enjoying your culinary creations. Before you make your decision, it's worth noting that the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable. Therefore, it's important to refer to the manual for proper setup and operation to ensure you get the best results from your new kitchen companion. Lastly, the Cuisinart DFP-14BKSY comes with a full 5-year warranty on the motor, along with a limited 3-year warranty on the product itself, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. And rest assured, this food processor is BPA-free, safe for you and your family. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile food processor that makes cooking easier while allowing for creativity in the kitchen, the Cuisinart DFP-14BKSY is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.